If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
In this video, we are going to see how you can run your own Mercury WebTools application locally. Mercury WebTools is one of the frequently used application to learn performance and automation concepts. It is a fictional web-based application to reserve flights, hotel rooms, car rentals, cruises, and other vacation deals. Now you can download the Mercury Tools application from the marketplace of Micro Focus. Just head to marketplace.microfocus.com and search for Mercury Tools. You will get these artifacts. You can download the files for Windows or Linux. After you downloaded, make sure you have the Java installed in your machine, either 8 or later. And make sure you have the Java_home environment variable set in the operating system. After you downloaded and extracted the content, you have to run two services. One is for the Jetty, and you have to set the HTTP port 8082. By default, it uses 8080, and you have to set the port for the database. So here I am setting 8081 for the database. After these services been executed, at last, you have to execute mtools_service.bat space install. If you want to stop, you can use stop. If you want to uninstall, you can uninstall. And if you want to start, you can start. So these are the commands available for the mtools_service.bat. If you're on Linux, you can run the mtools_service shell file. After you successfully installed the services, and make sure you are running the services successfully in your Windows services, and you can launch the localhost 8082 space mtools, you will get this screen. So now you can record to learn automation and performance concepts using this application. So this application is kind of outdated, but still you can use it because it's very, very lightweighted. Basically using Jetty as a app server. So it is very, very lightweighted, and memory footprint is very, very small. Alternatively, you can use advantageonlineshopping.com, where you will get the enhanced experience while navigating between the pages. Now let us see a quick demo how you can install this application locally in Windows operating system. Once you extracted the zip file, you will get these folders. First, you have to open the jetty_mtools_service.bat and mtools_service.bat. And if you go to HSQLDB, and here you can see HSQLDB mtools_service.bat. Open these bat files in your editor. So in this case, I am opening these files in the Visual Studio Code. To set the port for the Jetty, just search for Jetty_HTTP_port 8082. This can be any available port, and make sure this port is not being used by the other application. Similarly, for the HSQLDB mtools service, here also you can set the port for the database. So here I have set the port 8081 for the database. And if you are using the JDK installed, make sure you have properly configured, otherwise you will get the error while running the service. So in this case, if you see the line number 108, I have set the /bin/server/jvm.dll. In case if you are using only JRE, then you have to configure the right value, but by default it will point to JRE only. In case if you have JDK installed, make sure this property is set, otherwise you will get a lot of errors while installing the services. And no need to check it out the other BAT file. So if you go to mtools installation Windows, here you can see mtools_service.bat. So let me open in the Visual Studio Code, and here you can see what steps it's being executed when you run this service. So first it will install or uninstall or start or stop the services, and it will just sequentially go to the next step. And if you have any issues with respect to Java, make sure you have properly set the environment variable. So now let me open the PowerShell. So here, just before I started recording this video, I started getting the errors. So if you are getting the errors like system cannot find the file, etc., no problem. You are fine. Just to make sure, what you can do is go to run and open services.msc. If you go to the services, you can see there are two services which will be up and running. So if you just search for M2's SQL DB service and M2's Jetty service, so these services must be up and running. So if these two are running fine, then you will be able to launch the application successfully. Now let me open the application. So if you go to localhost 8082, you will get this screen. It is from the Jetty. And if you click on this context path, you can see the Mercury Web Tools application. And this is where you will download the Mercury Tools application. So you have to just head to marketplace.microfocus.com and search for Mercury Tools. That's it guys on my side. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.